Welcome. This is Afro Ties. Big shouts out to the NHS, you know the things already. Shout to the hard workers. How you mean? Shout to the key workers, keeping people active. Keeping the mind entertained. Live stream business. Afro Ties. Who knows sound? Come on. Cold up on the roof, you know. Getting cold up on the roof, too. More tune super. Levels. And shout to all the crew following this sound. It's not just top tens. Easy Miss Morgan, I see ya. I listen mix. One super. I listen mix. You already know that super. They already know. They already know music is a healer. They've had us locked up for a long time. Free your minds. Free your minds. Music is a healer. Afro Ties. Big shouts out to everyone that joined us tonight. Spread the love, spread the sound. Afro Ties. Yeah. I've been thinking. Listen mix, listen mix. My life is what it is. What is it? And this is how you found me. This is who I am. This is how Ladies I am. Time. This is what I am. Ladies time. Sing to me, sing to me, sing it. Get over it, get over it. Ladies, you're always on my case of how you want me to be. That Friday night feeling, free your mind. Who I should talk to, how I should behave, when I should be home. Stress free, stress free. Get over it, get over it. I don't forget, 6th of June, the statement, Desi Bongo thing. Get over it. Desi Bongo live. Get over it. Baby. Sing to me, close your eyes and sing. Sing it, sing it. I said, baby. I look in my eyes, look in my eyes. Sing baby. It. You're gonna lose me. Shout to the sexy ladies in the place. You already know what time it is. I said, baby. Feel it, feel it. COVID can't change us. This is our music, our sound. COVID can't change nothing. COVID pandemic. Remember, no vaccine. Remember, no vaccine. We ain't sure. COVID. Think you can change us? Get over it. Hey, big up Pioneer, I see you, brother. Hey, GGB. Hi, brother.
I said, baby, you're gonna lose me.
Shout to the Bournemouth Massive. Hey, big up Truth. How you mean? Another RC production. RC production. Truth. Alright, feel it. Them bright lights, you know. Superstar thing. Hey, Truth. More fire. More fire emojis. Alright, call out the ancestors. Call them out. Fair it is. Listen sound. Truth. Get spiritual. Man. Yeah, man, them want to make you screw up your face. God. I choose. Flames. We need more flames on the screen. Send me more flames. You better send me more flames. You better send me more flames, more flames, more flames, more flames, more flames. Hey, send me more flames. You better send me more flames. You better send me more flames, more flames, more flames, more flames. Truth. We're going to battle now, you know. We're in this together, remember. Don't be stupid. More in it. I mix it super. I listen mix. I listen mix. I go on Spidey. Go on Spidey. Yeah man, original rooftop party right about now. Listen. It's the vibe. It's the energy. It's the vibe. It's the energy. Super. Old school, what we mean by old school? What we mean by, what we mean by old school? What we mean by old school? Well, it's old school. Well, it's old school sound. Got to get on with it. Oh, hey, yo, 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 super, pop, 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 pop. Right about now, this is Afro Ties. Sounds of the original Super D. Spidey G and Coaster, super. We're gonna rinse out some old school style. We got the DJs that got this one on vinyl. Pioneer, I know you got this one on vinyl. Yeah, slam it. Listen. Sound. We got Gemini. We got Gemini in our cold steps. We got to big up all the foundation crew. Listen. We got tip up big another family. Super. Love this. Cold steps. Big up DJ Kiss Me. Fever. Everyone there. Okay. 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 Big up DJ Larizzle. We got Ryder. We got Whitey J.
Yeah, man, look up for Weighty J. Cole says and Spidey G. Little revival thing. Crazy, Weighty, make that happen, yeah? Don't feel no way. Listen. Big up your original DJ Gumbo. Original. One big up Dundee. Partner in crime, how you mean? I will be there, respect my house thing. On top walk safe thing. How you mean? Who knows sounds? Who knows sounds? Last 10 minutes inside. Maybe 15 at a push. Big up Apple in the place, you know. Brother, how you mean? Keep them productions coming, mate. Shout to the Zoom crew. Easy the Zoom party, how you mean? Alright, speakers. Feel it, love it. Our sound, Afro-tized, Super D. Cold steps in the place, man. And remember, tag us in your videos, tag us in your Insta stories at DJ Super D, at Cold_steps, at Afro-tized events. Trust me. Venue pattern for Afro-tized. The next one. What you say? Afro-tized, respect my house. We like that one, you know. We like that one. Afro-tized, respect my house, super. Yeah, man. Shout to the sing-along crew. Remember, it's our scene, we're just pushing it forward. Bare collaborations. It's our brands, remember that. Oh, you see this one is special. It's special. Hey, Rants don't want to give us no tunes. I don't know what's wrong with Rants. I don't know what we done to Rants. He don't want to give us no new rhythms. Listen, sound. Alright, signal. Oh gosh. Alright, signal. Spidey, watch the wire. Watch your wire. That's the massive one on the original. This is the remix. Listen. All about Afro-tized.